I am here again to say something about this for a while. Now, Helen, just to explain what is really happening, the assassination and our beloved President in America, previously. That is hit by the right ear of the entire head of the President of America. He was hit by right side of his ear, but he fall down. What's going on? It might be the bullet is I'm not really very sure, but this is only for a comment. So while now our president is speaking on this is put up into others example. He has already, after the assassination, he is lucky and God grace, by God grace. The problem on the question is why he fall down after the incident. That only the right ear had been hit. So there is content of that bullet, which may be a mild person just to the previous president fall down and can talk just for a little second, and then after that it was cured. But for me, all I could say, if I'm going to say this with this, because we will be in a paranoid illnesses. He might be, as of me, for example, he might be died that after arrival in the hospital. But according to the successive coverage of him, the speech of this coming election, so connection to that, it might be in our world, in a very high technology world, like for example America. So now this could be put up into a notion or a kind of thoughts that that speaking is speech after the assassination, it might be done by a kind of robotic person, but it is not true. And anyway, they are very far away when we are to our listeners, and then on YouTube there's no such things. The origin of YouTube, which the channel is, as I experienced, coming from first, the origin is the United States of America. So there's no wrong with that. And in fact, we saw already the success of the speech after the assassination. Then we saw it. Then do not panic. But in our kind of thinking, it's a kind of psychiatry matter. It might be that the present previously assassin as and the incident, previously incident is somewhat like robotic, and the success of the after the incident. So I should not panic for that. I just explain it in any way because we are not on the appliances by the lowest kind of technology. We are appliances of the highest kind of technology. So there's no, in any way, Trump been there. I saw it in the televisions, meeting with Kim Jong Un and North Korea, and in fact I saw it also when Kim Jong Un visited Trump when Trump was president on the time, and now we are on July in the in the month of July in the month of year 2024. So there's no problem for that. So I hope you can understand. Just take your normal living doings, everything you do as normal as we experience the COVID-19, and then that's all. Thank you very much. Thank you.